Introducing reminders for WhatsApp, a tool that allows you to schedule a message to come back to your inbox whenever you need it. Let me show you an example. On this case, I'm going to follow up with someone that I'm sure is going to forget to bring something that I asked. So I can go here to this section called reminders, and I can define a date for this conversation to come back to the inbox. Let's say, for instance, today at 6 p.m. This conversation is going to be stored in the reminders section, and it's going to come back by that time today. You can also do this only with your keyboard, with shortcuts. So let's say I want to do this with this conversation as well. I can press Command R, and I can do a follow-up with this person in 2 days with pressing 2D and just enter. So once again, this conversation is out of the inbox and it's going to come back in 2 days. Finally, we also have the regardless option. With regardless, you can define a follow-up regardless if the person writes in the meantime. So for instance, let's say I want to remember a birthday for this person. I can press here the date in 6 months, and by using regardless, it doesn't matter if in the meantime I'm talking with this person. Anyway, this conversation is going to appear in my inbox with a reminder by that time. And this is how a reminder looks like when it comes back to the inbox. It's going to appear here as reminder completed, so I can follow up with this person at that time. Reminders, you never forget to follow up with anyone on WhatsApp. I hope you find it useful.